Depending upon the options chosen for a smart irrigation system, the investment range can go anywhere from $8,000 for a smaller residential application, all the way up to $18,000 for most average residential settings. Complex properties and estates can spend anywhere from $35 to $45 plus for entire property water conservation systems, but their savings and effectiveness over time more than pay for themselves. For most average irrigation systems with optimization for smart operation, the average investment range for residential properties can begin as low as $8,000 and can range all the way up to $16,000 for average residential lots. The factors there that need to be considered when looking at that investment are things such as size of property being watered, type of plant material and zones needed in order to separate that out effectively, and obstacles in order to do an installation. A property, for example, with significant tree roots or rock obstacles is going to require significant construction in order to install the system, but a property without those obstacles, it's going to be significantly cheaper just out of pure labor savings. In addition to that, if you have something as large as an estate that's bigger than an average residential lot, irrigation systems can range anywhere from $34,000 to $45,000 plus, but the savings on those sizes of properties and water consumption significantly pay for themselves within 1 to 2 years sometimes, because the water is not being wasted on large scales.